To entertain and entertain with ease. We're going to do it with a birthday price tonight, and we're going to celebrate it Temptation style. 20 pieces in this bamboo entertaining set. You're going to get that big, generous beverage tub, and you're going to receive 6 of the 10-inch plates, 6 of the 6-inch bowls, 6 of the 14-ounce cups, that party tub we mentioned. There's even a tray that fits on top as a lid, but could also be used as a serving tray. Now, it's our only order of the season. Already 6,500 have been ordered this season, and you should know that this birthday pricing expires tonight. Midnight Eastern time tonight is when this price goes away. So imagine something that is easy to clean, easy to work with, and beautifully colorful for your summer outdoor celebrations. We're probably going to be having more extended family and close friends over. This is your opportunity to celebrate in style with all matching pieces. Now, this is the confetti, which is the full set you see right here. I have fewer than 1,000 in that confetti. Remember, price expires tonight, $11.59. This is gray, fewer than 1,000. Here's blue, fewer than 900. Don't forget patriotic, 150 in that patriotic. And if you order today, it will arrive before 4th of July. This one is called nautical. 175, and finally the palm, 550 in the palm. Remember, this is sale priced, only order of the season, top rack dishwasher safe, and we're going to welcome in Lisa Lasorte, who is a member of our Temptations team, who is here tonight to join us live via Skype to tell us more about this fantastic set. Miss Lisa, it's always good to have you back.
Oh, David, it's so great to be here. And this is like a party in a tub, right? You take it on the go, you keep it in your house, but it holds everything you need. It's made from sustainable bamboo, super duper durable, and that beautiful pattern, whichever one you choose, is baked on, so it will never come off. I love the pieces that we've created here with that nice big bucket that now can be your beverage server. Notice, just like our stoneware has those helper handles on the side, here's what we call the lid, right? It's a server. I love that this is going to be my new hamburger plate, hot dog plate, serving platter. Then inside, everything you need. David, you will never ever need to buy a paper or a plastic plate again. You're going to get 6 of our 10-inch plates. This is an upgrade from last year. Customers wanted a larger plate, we delivered. Then you're going to get 6 22-ounce bowls. This can hold up to 2 pounds of potato salad. So not only are they individual, they're great serving pieces as well. And then you're going to get 6 16-ounce tumblers. Again, everything fits right back inside for easy storage, dishwasher safe, sustainable, but you know what? They're also so much fun because we're allowed to have people over again. David, isn't it so much fun?
Oh, it's so great. And now that we can get together with the folks that we love and the neighbors that we've missed and the friends that we haven't had by, this is going to make such a huge difference. Now, I need to let you know we've taken orders for over 200 sets. And that's 6,800 for the season, and tonight is your final night at the price and the easy pay. Now, over here, I've got it for you in the confetti, and this will show you all the pieces that you're getting. That big beverage tub, the 6 dinner plates, the 6 bowls, the 6 tumblers, the tub and the tray, all of it coming together. Only 1,000 in confetti. Here in front is the gray, 950 in the gray. Don't forget blue, 850 in the blue. Now patriotic. I have 36 sets left in patriotic. Won't be long until that sells out. Here's nautical, 150, also kind of fun for 4th of July because of the red and the blue. And then finally the palm. In the green palm, 500 remain. Now, Miss Lisa, we've got a whole table back here set up to show you a summer barbecue. I need to be invited to this barbecue because they have burgers, baked beans, corn on the cob, potato salad, and hot dogs. I mean, this is my kind of party. Look at all the great food. And those bowls can even be serving bowls, can't they?
Yeah, I mean, they're fantastic. You know, David, right here, I actually have 2 pounds of potato salad that we picked up at the grocery store today. And I just want to show you how easy it is to take that potato salad, literally right from here. We talk about magical transformation. 2 pounds that will now fit right inside of this bowl.
Oh my, look at that.
Right? So it's a nice big serving piece. But these are durable pieces. You know what happens when you hold a paper plate? It folds, it breaks, the liquid goes through. This is bamboo. Not only are they durable, they are dishwasher safe. And I know, like, we're always looking for that great serving platter. The fact that it's literally everything you need and more is just the perfect summer entertaining piece.
Now, Miss Lisa, we have sold out of
Yeah.
Patriotic. So Patriotic has left the building. I'll pass it this way. And I still have this in the confetti. 900 in the confetti. You also can get this in gray. 900 in the gray. Here's blue. 800 remain. If you want nautical, I have fewer than 100 left in the nautical. This could also be great for Patriotic because there's red, white, and blue. It's just seahorses and sea crabs, right? And sea turtles. And then green palm, $4.50. Now, I need to remind everyone, Lise, that this price will expire tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Since we debuted this item on QVC, we've taken orders for, checking with my producer, 7,000. He had to carry the one. 7,000 have been ordered since we debuted this set. And Lisa, tonight, all of this expires. The price and the easy pay will go away at 11:59. A lot of people are gearing up for summer now. Summer hasn't even officially started yet, but boy, the hot weather has, hasn't it?
Oh, that's for sure. We were actually outside for this and we moved inside. It was so hot and actually steamy here. And what I love about this is we're debuting some of our newer patterns as well. That nautical that's going to have your seahorses, your crabs, your anchors, your fish, your turtles. To your point, this is red, white, and blue, just in a different format. This is all baked on, so it's never going to come off. But David, there's something about never having to buy a piece of plastic or paper again, because literally everything I need, from 622 to 6 of the tumblers to 6 10-ounce plates, all fit so neat and tidy right inside.
Now I'm going into the fridge here to get some cold fruit salad. And again, these 6-inch bowls, this is one that you're receiving. One of the 6. Look at how much fruit salad fits inside here. You could easily feed a family of 4 with this as a side dish. So you're looking at a really remarkable set. I want to remind you real quickly before we wrap up, this is confetti. I also have gray, blue, green palm, but if you want this nautical now, I have fewer than 24 sets left, and that will sell out. So if you'd like the nautical, I'd be on the line for it right now. Hey, Lisa Lasorte, it's awfully nice to have you on our show tonight.
Oh, it's so nice to see you, David. You take care, okay?
Thanks so much. You do the same and stay dry tonight. I can hear the rumbles of thunder outside.
I know.
Take care. Now, we wanted to give you a quick update on our today's special value. Now, this will not get a full presentation in the show, and we have already taken